everyone, we're going to evaluate the definite integral of this function, and we're using integration by parts. So for integration by parts, what I want to do is use this formula, and I'm going to choose u in this order. So what I'm going to do is choose u to be my algebraic function, and that's going to be your x squared plus 1. And my dv part is going to be everything else. So that equals e to the negative x power dx. Therefore, your du equals 2x dx. And your antiderivative is going to be negative e to the negative x power. And then we're going to start filling in the formula. So we'll get, using this formula, uv, so that's going to give you negative, I'm going to put the negative in front here. Then I'm going to write x squared plus 1 times e to the negative x. And then we're going to evaluate that over the interval from 0 to 1. And then we're going to have minus, let's finish this up, the integral from over the interval from 0 to 1 of v du. So v, we're going to go ahead and let's put the negative in front, then put 2x e to the negative x. All right, now going in order from left to right, let's evaluate this from over the interval from 0 to 1. So if you plug in 1, you're going to get negative 2e to the negative 1. So the first part is going to be negative 2e to the negative 1. And if I substitute my 0 in here, you're going to get plus 1 here. All right. And then for here, I'm going to pull this 2 out front, negative 2, and put it there. So I'm going to put plus 2, and then we're going to evaluate from 0 to 1, x e to the negative x. And we're going to have to do integration by parts again. So we're going to let's let the big U equal x. So du equals dx. And our dv is going to be the same. dv equals e to the negative x. So v equals negative e to the negative x. Just like this. So it's the same as that. All right. So let's continue on. I'm going to go ahead and copy this down. Now 2 times, we're going to do u times v. So that's just going to be negative x e to the negative x. And we're going to evaluate it from 0 to 1 minus your integral of from 0 to 1 of negative e to the negative x dx. So simplifying further, let's take this part. We have negative 2e to the negative 1 plus 1 plus 2 times, and this is going to be, if you plug in 1, you're going to get negative e to the negative 1, and then you're going to have, if you plug in 0, you just get 0. All right. Now let's look at this part. For this part, remember this 2 goes with the whole thing here, by the way. All right. So for this part, you take the antiderivative of this, and this is going to give you e to the x. So, if you pull the negative out, that's going to be plus. So let's pull this negative out and make those both plus. So that's going to be plus e to the, if you go from 0 to 1, that's going to be e to negative 1 plus 1. All right. Now, multiplying through, let's go on the next slide. We're going to have negative 2e to the negative 1 plus 1 plus 2, and then you're going to have negative 2e to the negative 1 plus 1. And simplifying that further, you're going to get negative 2e to the negative 1 plus 1 minus 4e to the negative 1 plus 2. And that simplifies to negative 6e to the negative 1 plus 3. And that's it. Thank you. Have a nice day. Bye-bye.